Linda, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be, I hope, the start of a new series here on my channel. So here's the thing. I, like many of us, get caught in a rut. I do the same things over and over. I have a tendency to do a lovely little warm eye with a nude lip and a blinding highlight, things like that. But yet I look at these makeup artists who are doing these crazy, beautiful things and I'm like, I'm gonna try that. Nope, just kidding. I'm gonna go back to a warm eye and a nude lip. Basic. I want to do this sort of series of videos where I push myself out of my comfort zone and try something new. Maybe I will absolutely hate it on myself, and that's fine, but at least I tried it, you know? I'm so stuck in doing the same thing over and over. I have to push myself, because if I don't push myself, I will just stay in my comfort zone, and a comfort zone is a beautiful place, but nothing ever grows there. Also, a lot of these will sort of be shop my stash type videos. There will be some that might not be, but for this video, I'm using everything I have in my collection. I did not buy anything new, and of course, I'm gonna link everything down below, so if you guys wanna snag it, it's still very much for sale. It's not something that's fly by the night, special edition, sold out everywhere. For today's video, the first thing that I wanted to focus on is not just bold eyes, bold lip, but specifically blue eyes and a red lip. I've seen a couple people do this or variations on this recently. Evelina Forcell did this gorgeous blue blown out look with a bright orange lid and a fiery red lip, and it looked amazing on her, and she had red hair, and usually I say to myself, oh, the red hair is gonna throw it off. I can't say that anymore because this girl fucking rocked it. And then like a week ago, Bailey Sarian did this look that was kind of a crystal blue look with a dark brown lip, and it was amazing. So there's no reason I can't do this. I don't know why I'm scared of makeup. So my goal today is I wanna do a blue eye. I wanna blow it out and have it be only blue, different shades of blue and maybe sparkly blue, matte blue, whatever, but only blue looks, and then a fiery red lip, and see how it goes. I did not do my foundation because I don't know if there's gonna be fallout and I don't wanna have to do my foundation over again, so we're gonna start with the eyes. Let's zoom you in, cross your fingers, pray, do a Hail Mary, jump up and down 6 times, I don't know, do something positive. I don't know why jumping up and down 6 times would be positive, but you know, whatever. And yes, if you were wondering, my eyebrows are still horrible. The first thing I want to do is I am going to use tape today because I do want to have kind of, not necessarily a sharp line. I'm eventually going to blend it out, but I just want the shape to be the same because I am going to kind of blow it out so I can bring it under my eyes, which is something that also scares me, being a not 20-year-old lady. Look at my fuzzies sticking out. Ugh. For primer, I'm just going in with my concealer because I do want this to be a heavier base than I normally use to really get those blue shadows to pop. You can also use a creamy white base like the NYX Jumbo Eyeshadow Pencil in Milk, but I'm gonna try just using concealer. We're gonna jump right in. We're not gonna go for a brown transition or anything. We're just gonna go in with Velocity from Sugar Pill, the bluest blue that was ever blue. I'm gonna use my MOTD Cosmetics Build and Blend brush, and I'm gonna take that and tap off the extra. We're just gonna build up the crease with this, so I'm gonna go slowly because I'm scared. I really am taking my time to build this up because I really want these colors to be pigmented. Way out of my comfort zone. Oh, this is so far out, it's not even funny. Great, good, great. Next, I'm gonna take Sugar Pill's After Party, which unfortunately looks like it is a discontinued color, but it is just kind of your regular ocean blue. It's a little bit more on the green tinge of blue, if that makes sense, and less on the dark or purpley tones. But I'm gonna pat this all over my lid. Oh, why does this make me nervous? It's makeup, it's makeup. I'm using a Luxie 213 T brush, and I'm going to just pat that all over the lid so you can see the difference there in color. Also, 10 out of 10, would definitely recommend doing your foundation last because whoo, Fallout City. I just realized if I'm doing blue eyes and red lips, is this gonna look like super America patriotic, go America, go team go? Probably. Okay, now that we've got that down, I'm going to go in with Yacht Life from the Color Rain Vivid Pigments palette, and I'm gonna pat that on my outer corner and take that into my crease a little bit just to hopefully darken things up. That's not quite giving me the darkness that I'm looking for, so I am going to dip into one non-blue shade, I think, for my eyes, and that's just gonna be Sugar Pill's Bulletproof. It is just a straight matte black, And I'm gonna take that in very small increments and do the same thing, just right here on the outer corner. There we go, that's the darkness I was looking for. Going back in with a little bit of velocity to help blend that out. And also back in with some After Party to blend that edge right here. I feel like I want a little bit of shimmer on the lid, and I really hope this doesn't ruin things, but I'm going in with the Dose of Colors I Love Sarah E palette, and I'm gonna try putting a little bit of Palma right on the center of my lid, kind of just that area. Oh gosh, it's so pretty though, but it is greenish, so I hope this doesn't ruin things. Let's see. So it definitely gives it a little bit of a green tone, but this is very much a blue eyeshadow look, so I think we're gonna be okay. I think we're gonna make it through, you and I together forever. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, the eyebrows are a bit more large and in charge than usual today and a little bit sharp, but we're gonna run with it. Also, before I move on to my face and my lower lash line, I do wanna highlight underneath of my brow. So I'm going to take just a little baby pencil brush, and I'm gonna use my Naked Cosmetics Holographic Highlighter Collection palette. This is just a blue tinged white shadow, and I'm gonna pop that right under the arch of my brow. I'm not gonna go too far in because I feel like that'll close things up a bit. Just right there. And it just gives it that little blue sheen. Okay, tape is coming off. Wow! Grr, I didn't remove enough of the stickiness yet. Ooh. I mean, she kind of fierce. I don't know what's going on there. We can fix it. I was gonna clean this up, but I might leave it as like sharp as hell. I am going to do this so it doesn't go past my eyebrow. I don't mind it. Okay, I'm gonna zoom you out so we can do skin because this close-up view, it's making me nervous. For skin, I'm gonna do my usual combo of the Light Illusion Foundation by Flower Beauty in L3 and L2. I am going to mix these, and normally I've been applying this with my hands and I feel like that gives a nice sheer coverage, but today I want a little bit of a better coverage. So I'm gonna start with a primer, and I'm going to go in with the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. That I am going to apply with my hands, and then once that is soaked in and sort of sticky is how it gets to really hold that foundation on, then I'm gonna go in with a brush for the Light Illusion Foundation. Houston, we have stickage. Ew, ew, ew. I'll take phrases I never thought I'd say on my channel for 500, Alex. I am using an old school Morphe M439 brush that I did buy before I went cruelty free, and I'm just gonna apply a little bit of both colors onto the brush and then buff that in. I am gonna take my beauty blender and just kind of pounce that into the skin a little bit better. This is looking pale. Woo. Some concealer. This is drying out, my friends. So I've always had very light hyperpigmentation right above this eyebrow, but I feel like it's getting darker, and I have definitely some stuff going on my forehead, which I'm sure you've noticed. I think that just might be uneven, like not sunspots, but like tan, I guess, because I didn't apply enough sunblock, or I didn't apply it close enough to my hairline, or things like that. But if anyone has any tips for covering up hyperpigmentation, because I'm fairly new to it, please leave them in the comments down below, thanks. I'm gonna use my Luxie 522 brush and the Becca Hydra Mist powder, and I'm gonna use that just where I would normally powder, just basically wherever I'm real shiny right now, because that's just a lot of places. But I definitely am gonna powder a bit more than normal under my eyes because I want those shadows that I put under there to be vibrant and to stay and not just slide off my face. Time to go under the eyes, so I'm going back in with Velocity and my fluffy brush. Let's try this very gently. I'm just going to gently buff that under the eyes. This will be the main color. I'm also going to use a wee little brush and take some more of that Palma shadow from the Dose of Colors palette and pop that just right in the center of my lower lash line. I'm gonna line my upper and lower waterline with just a black pencil. And a quick curl and a coat of mascara, but I'm not gonna keep this too heavy because I think I might attempt some lashes. May God have mercy on all of our souls. I'm using the House of Lashes Iconic Light and just popping those on. I feel like my friend Sarah's gonna be so proud of me that I'm putting on lashes. You better be proud, Sarah. I'm just gonna take a tiny bit of black liquid liner and just apply it to my inner corner to kind of finish off the look a little bit and make the lashes not look as harsh where they stop. All right, I'm taking my Anastasia contour kit and the shade Fawn, which, oof, has seen some better days, and with that, I'm just going to contour. I'm so unsure what to do about blush with a look like this. Do you guys use blush with this? I mean, blush scares me as it is. Maybe that'll be another video. How much blush can I put on before throwing up on myself? Use foundation to cover up hyperpigmentation and tan on forehead. Apply contour to forehead. Makes sense. For now, I'm gonna skip blush for a minute and I'm just gonna apply a red lip liner all over and I'm gonna fill in my lips. This is where it could go south. This is worrying me a little bit. I feel like it's gonna look a little pageant queenie. I don't know why. Taking Urban Decay's F-Bomb, which is, I mean, it's a red lipstick and it is matte, I believe, I think. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, that's definitely not matte. I don't know what I was talking about, but I'm gonna go ahead and take the Prepping Perfector brush from Doll 10 Beauty, and let's take some of that kind of blue tinge and see what it would look like as a highlight. Ooh. Yes, mama. Second thought, I'm gonna use my wet sponge to do that. I think it would be a little more even. Oh, that's real blue. And here is the final look. So, how do I feel about this look? I'm not 100% sure. I don't hate it, which is actually kind of impressive. And I do have to admit, I freaking love the eyes. I am kind of obsessed with the eyes. I love that I added the shimmer. I'm really happy I did that. I think I could have used some more black actually in there. The blue highlight, it's fun. I mean, am I gonna wear this look to my 9-to-5 office job? Probably not. And with the red lips, I don't hate this as much as I thought I would. Now, I'll be honest, in my comfort zone, I definitely would go for a nude lip with this. And that probably, if I do this look again, I probably will go for like an ultra super glossy nude lip. Like I would probably like just use the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb and call it a day and just go for that glossy shine. But it's not terrible. And I don't feel like I'm trying to be Captain America or something like that, which is a, you know, I mean, it's a plus. And ooh, what if we add some of that highlight in my inner corner? Brings a little light there, huh? So for somebody who has been sticking to a whole lot of brown neutrals and nude lips, this is really far out of my comfort zone, but at the same time, I love it and I'm so glad I did it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. What makeup looks scare you? Like what are you so nervous about doing, but maybe you know if you just did it, it wouldn't suck. There's going to be a couple more of these in the future. I'm sure you guys can probably guess what a few of them would be if you've been watching my channel at all. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I do put up new videos on my channel every Monday morning at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, so make sure you subscribe. There are some juicy ones coming up in the future. You guys can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Those are all GlitterFallout. You guys are super freaking rock stars, and I love you with my whole heart, my whole heart. That's filled up inside this chest cavity. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah. Bye.